Train coming. Look out for the train. It's a freight. Ooh, it's a double stack. Oh, here comes the steam train. I can't hold my breath any longer than that. Why? So if you don't understand, these cars basically hold lots and lots of garbage. So that's why I call them stink trains. Going and going and going and gone. That was actually a... Would I say that's a short freight train? I don't know. But, I mean, hey, it's a freight train. It's been a while since we've done this. Man, I love trains. Here comes another one. Going, and gone. Ooh, that's Smoky Boy. Hey guys, how does this look? I think I'll start recording videos of trains like this now. So that way it's more clearer without the sun. Without the sun in the way. Actually, I think I'll just record like normal. Came in by surprise. Never even heard it. Yeah, I think 3 is a good number to leave off at. When another one comes, I'll make a short form of it. Bye, guys.